NG Bailey, the UK's largest independent engineering and services business, is proud to have provided its expertise to support the national effort to combat the COVID-19 pandemic. Utilising our pioneering offsite manufacturing facility in Bradford, our dedicated team designed, manufactured and installed equipment to fit out essential NHS Nightingale hospitals across the country in record-breaking time. Working in collaboration with our valued partners, we designed a range of bespoke solutions, with the first of these manufactured and delivered to site within 24 hours, helping to transform existing premises from a standing start into fully fitted and functional specialist care facilities within days. Seamless project logistics saw us rapidly design a range of essential equipment, quickly create prototypes, and manufacture high-quality critical components for these life-saving field hospitals. Our off-site manufacturing capabilities were fundamental to the successful rollout, enabling rapid production whilst maintaining safe social distancing measures. The speed of operations meant that our bespoke solutions were manufactured, transported to site, and installed often on the same day. At the height of production, completed items were coming off the production line every 3.5 minutes. The off-site approach also enabled us to remove 12,000 working hours from site. Simultaneously, our on-site multidisciplined engineers were busy fitting other vital services, bringing everything together with a reliable end-to-end solution. As a family business, we were honoured to have the people, skills and capacity required to help the NHS save lives by providing care and support to families across local and regional communities.